2014 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, power windows, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, leather. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.